Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. Your examination are commencing from 12th of December 2020. I'm talking about class 11th students. Like others, you have also concession of 40% and you need attempt only 60% out of 100 marks questionnaire. And whatever your gain would be out of the 60%, that would be proportionately raised to 100. You are attempting 60 and you are gained 60 or all 60 are correct, you will get automatically 100 out of 100. So you need not to chase 100% syllabus. You can skip some chapters where you have no command at all, but you have to keep in mind the marks weightage of each chapter. Dear students, in these days you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack these examinations with nice percentage of marks. For that you have to work hard, you have to concentrate hard here. Dear students of class 11th subject political science, today we are dealing with your important concept in political science, that is executive. Dear students, since you are new to the political science, you have taken political science as one of the subjects now in class 11th. Initially you will find difficulty in learning the political terminology and political concepts. With the passage of time you will learn all things. Dear students, executive is the branch of the government that implements laws. First of all, you need to know what is government. Government is a part of state. You have to keep in the mind it is the part of a state having three organs. In a government, that means government has three organs, that is legislature, executive, and judiciary. The work of legislature is to frame laws, and the work of executive is to implement these laws, and the judiciary interprets the constitution or checks the validity of this law, whether this law has been enforced according to its nature or according to its validity, or we may say what the law actually says. And we can say the judiciary settles the disputes. The courts here are the simply termed as judiciary. Dear students, so the executive is that branch of the government which implements laws. And we have two types of executive. One is the political executive, that is non-permanent executive, and another is the permanent executive. So non-permanent executive means the executive that comes into existence after the elections, when the executive or the cabinet is formed finally. For example, when general elections for Lok Sabha takes place, the party that gains the majority forms the government and head of that very party turns prime minister, and the entire cabinet or council of ministers headed by the prime minister is the executive branch of the government, or we can say a minister is given charge of any department, he is the political head of that very department. We can say that these ministers forms the, or the council of ministers forms the executive branch of the government, that is the political executive. And political executive is never permanent executive, it's non-permanent executive, because after 5 years there would be no such executive, because it depends upon the opinion of the people. It is the, in a democracy this keep on changing, because after 5 years people refresh their opinions, renew their opinions, and if BJP is in the power, the executive branch lies in their control. In the next election there would be Congress or any other party. So the political executive is not a permanent executive, and civil executive, that is the permanent executive, that are civil servants. For example, chief secretary, under secretary, divisional commissioner, deputy commissioners. These are the civil servants and they form the branch of the government. They help the political executive in carrying on or implementing the decisions. So this is the civil bureaucracy. Women say that is the permanent executive, and non-permanent executive is the political executive. So we have two types of executives here. One is the political executive, another is the civil executive. And civil is the permanent executive, and the political is non-permanent executive. And because when people renew their opinions after 5 years, mostly it's in most states the term for the state assembly is often 5 years, where people change their opinions and the political executive would be new one. But the civil executives remain as the same because they are the civil servants. They keep on transferring, but they execute. This is a permanent executive. Now it is Kashmiri. Dear students, this government is pan part of the state. Ach three his. Legislature, executive, the judiciary. Use legislature as image kum kanun banavan, tavan shatwana kanun sazia. Use executive asan छ यह छ सु branch government युस मतलब law implement करन छ ना decision implement करन छ तो judiciary युस छ disputes हल करन बे छ मतलब आईनी तौर वना कि कह कानून आव लागू करन यह सही पट इस्तेमाल गोमत किन किन बे छ disputes हल करन पर executive युस आसान छ यह आसान दय किस्म छ अख छ permanent executive बे आसान मतलब political executive. Political executive के लोग वोट त्रावन छ पच गवर्नमेंट बना युस पार्टी मतलब मेजॉरिटी नेवान छ बनाव गवर्नमेंट तिम पार्टी हेड छ बना प्राइम मिनिस्टर युस काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स में हेड करान छ प्राइम मिनिस्टर यह छ आसान नॉन परमानेंट एक्जीक्यूटिव मगर अथ वन परमानेंट एक्जीक्यूटिव प्रथ कन युस मतलब डिपार्टमेंट छ आसान अथ छ पॉलिटिकल हेड छ मिनिस्टर यमो मतलब मिनिस्टर में पॉलिटिकल हेड आसान पर नॉन परमानेंट गई तेल एग्जीक्यूटिव क्या लूख हेकन पत 5 वर पन राय बदल अगर आज BJP पावरस मज बे 5 नो इलेक्शन गम दे कांग्रेस या बे पार्टी गोस पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव नॉन परमानेंट सिविल एग्जीक्यूटिव आसान सिविल एग्जीक्यूटिव गो मार चीफ सेक्रेटरी DC डायरेक्टर एजुकेशन या बाकी सेक्रेटरीज अंडर सेक्रेटरीज प्रथ कन डिपार्टमेंट सेक्रेटरी आसान सिविल मतलब ऑफिसर जैसे अंडर तो यह क्या गई परमानेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव हम हेकन ट्रांसफर गसित मगर आज वो सेक्रेटरी एजुकेशन सब सेक्रेटरी ट्रांसपोर्ट बन सेक्रेटरी ट्रांसपोर्ट हे सब सेक्रेटरी फाइनान्स बन हम हेकन सिर्फ ट्रांसफर गसित मगर यह लूकन हज राय पे डिपेंड कर क्या सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम पास कर्म सिविल गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंटस यह परमानेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव हम गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन निवान कैबिनेट डिसीजन आसान तिमन इम्प्लीमेंट कर तथ मज मदद कर तुम वो कि गवर्नमेंट दोम कत रन कर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिकल डिसीजन यवान तथ पत लागू कर डियर स्टूडेंट दिस शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द executive. Hope you might have grasped the concept. Better is to see these things on your available political science reference book so that you can grasp the concept well. In these days, you have to put extra efforts, you have to do extra hard work to crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, do forward your query or confusion by WhatsApping or by calling, and within short duration of time when your query or confusion would be forwarded, that would be answered. Better is to put extra efforts and you will crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. Thanks. Be balanced.